Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Dani, and in this video I'll be doing something a little bit different. This past weekend my husband and I celebrated our 8th wedding anniversary, woohoo! And since we are still very much in the middle of a pandemic and didn't quite know if we've had babysitters secured, I decided to transform our bedroom to make it feel a little bit more romantic. Now this idea came from my mother, since it does cost less than booking a room for a night, and this is something that every couple can and should do more often, whether you've got a babysitter or not. Because ladies, sometimes you've got to romance your man. My husband was completely shocked with this makeover. He had no idea what I was doing in here. So first, I'm just cleaning it up a bit before I start decorating. If I look a little different, that's because I decided to cut my hair. I've been waiting for the right time to do this year, and I thought that our anniversary would be perfect, but I didn't surprise my husband with this new look too, y'all. Now that would have been too much to take in one day, but I love it, and he does too. I literally just came home from the salon, so don't mind that black stain on the back of my shirt. It's just hair dye. The first thing I did to transform our room was buy new bedding, and I went with the color black. I grabbed cotton black sheets and a silky satin duvet cover. Now putting this duvet cover on was a pain. I'm so used to having my husband help me with this, and I was struggling so bad. At first I forgot that I needed to pull the cover inside out, so that slowed me down a bit. And since I do use the burrito method to get it on, it really helps when you've got an extra hand to help with that. But I've got to say that busting a sweat to put this thing on was worth it, because that satin cover was a whole vibe.
Empty bottles of red wine laying on the floor from last night. We got a little drunk, yeah. Now I'm a little numb. Spending hours by your bedside, talking till it's dark out somehow. Can get you off my mind. Don't wanna say goodbye, bye, bye, bye. Maybe we should take it slow. I don't feel too comfortable jumping into something new right now. Yeah, I don't really know anymore how to feel something again. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. I don't really know anymore how to be more than your friend. Think I'm just scared of falling.
I hate to say it, but it's been a while since we've given each other real massages. So I decided to create a station just for that, and I bought some stress relieving massage oil over on Amazon, which smelled and felt amazing. So here I'm just placing the same rug that I had over under my desk in front of the mirror. I'm adding some rose petals and hanging up some string lights.
For the night, but then I gotta say goodbye, bye, bye. Maybe we should take it slow. I don't feel too comfortable jumping into something new right now. I don't really know anymore how to feel something again. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. I don't really know anymore how to be more than your friend. Think I'm just scared of falling.
Here on my desk, I'm kind of making it the gift table. I just bought roses that I threw in a vase, a card, and a bottle of Hennessy.
I think I'm scared of falling.
So this is what our
And I
bedroom looked like
don't know
before.
how to feel again.
And this is what it looked like when I was all done.
How to feel something again. Think I'm just scared of falling.
On top of the bed is a bottle of champagne, and I grabbed that serving tray and glasses from the thrift store, by the way.
Think I'm just scared of falling.
Then on our nightstand, I lit 8 tea light candles to represent the number of years we've been married. And just to make the room feel extra cozy, I put up a YouTube video of a fireplace. That idea came from my best friend. So that's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to see more tidy tips, motivation, and ideas from me each week.